There we go. Welcome to paradise. Yes. This is amazing.
So we just got to our parking spot. We're not parking at the actual port. It's pretty expensive to park there. So we're parking away from it and we're about to get on the shuttle. We made it!
Right when we got off here, they took our bags. So we had to make sure that you put the tag on before you get here because they like straight up grabbed it super quick. Port wear a dress, it's super windy.
Yeah, this is a really bad idea, but I look cute, so it worked. There's no wind in here.
Our room is one of those. Not sure which one.
Put my steps in for the day.
Perfect.
This is heavy.
For all you Navy guys, you don't have to ask permission to go on this ship.
Oh my gosh, are you hurt?
I'm okay.
I am so sorry.
Sorry, it happens.
I did it wrong. There we go. Ooh, we got a balcony. Guys, there's more space in the...
Mine is so tiny.
This is little.
Nice.
Look at the little TV.
Honestly, I've not brought us a pack and play yet.
Okay, so there is no pack and play. Unfortunately, we were supposed to get one. They did give us a balcony. Let's check this out. It's gonna get really bright. You don't push it. There we go. Ooh, look at that balcony. We got enough for 2 seats. Whew. Outside? Whoa. I guess that would be bad if the camera fell down, but I love this. If we're out here, Finley's sleeping inside, she won't be able to hear us. There's a very good seal on the door. This is great. Okay, there's one plug on this cruise ship in this room. Let me show you about this plug. So this plug is ours, right? I was like, okay, get this little extender. It doesn't have a surge protector, nothing on it. Well, the threads on this one has to be in here this way. It can't go this way or any of the other ways. There's the table here. So we can't use this. This is useless. Down to 1. Dinner night number 1. Let me show you. We can have all of this for free, all of that for free. I'm not sure about that.
Thank you so much.
Main course steak. Lasagna. We are out on the deck. Finley is inside sleeping. This is our first time, I think, putting her down and hanging out here. So what we decided to do, go get a bucket of beer. And we did the local IPA that Carnival actually creates itself. It's 6.2%.
Tastes pretty good.
We're gonna kind of just sit here, hang out, and enjoy this beautiful view of ocean.
Yeah. Next, bingo.
Bingo is in a few hours.
I set the screen, ladies and gentlemen, because this is the bingo screen. Everybody go, ooh.